Imagine a world without tires. Difficult, isn't it? Well, there was a time when such a world existed. Let's take a fascinating ride back in time to when tires were nothing more than bands of metal. Picture the clatter and jangle of metal-wrapped wooden wheels on cobblestone streets, a far cry from the smooth and silent ride we're accustomed to today. The story of tires begins in the early 19th century. It was then that they were just bands of iron or steel, fitted around wooden cartwheels. But everything changed when Charles Goodyear stepped onto the scene. He introduced the world to vulcanized rubber in the mid-1800s, paving the way for rubber tires. Then came Robert William Thompson, the unsung hero who patented the first pneumatic tire. Despite his invention being ahead of its time, it faced numerous challenges and struggles before being widely accepted. From bands of metal to rubber, the evolution of tires had only just begun. As the 20th century dawned, tires began to take on a form that we would recognize today. Enter John Boyd Dunlop, a veterinary surgeon with a knack for problem-solving. In the late 19th century, Dunlop devised the first practical pneumatic tire, a game-changer that brought a new level of comfort and safety to road travel. Yet the evolution didn't stop there. As the years rolled by, cord tires made their debut, introducing a strong mesh of fabric cords that added durability and resilience. Tires were no longer just rubber rings but intricate pieces of engineering, designed to handle the demands of increasing vehicle speeds. Then came World War II, a time of necessity and invention. With natural rubber in short supply, scientists developed synthetic alternatives. These synthetic rubber tires offered superior traction and were less prone to wear and tear, significantly enhancing vehicle performance. Despite these advancements, the quest for the perfect tire was far from over. As technology advanced, so did tires. Welcome to the age of smart tires. Cruising into the mid-20th century, the rubber world had a revolution with the introduction of radial tires. Unlike their bias ply predecessors, radial tires had cord plies arranged at 90 degrees to the direction of travel, or radially. This design tweak improved handling, fuel efficiency, and most importantly, extended the life of the tire, a win for both wallets and the environment. But change didn't stop there. The tire industry continued to roll forward, and next in line was the tubeless tire. Imagine a tire without the need for an inner tube. This innovation reduced the risk of sudden blowouts, a significant leap for safety, and with fewer parts, these tires also proved lighter, another tick for fuel efficiency. As we moved into the digital age, computer technology found its way into tire design and manufacturing. With the power of algorithms and processors, the tire industry could optimize designs for better performance, longer life, and safer driving conditions. The tread patterns we see today aren't just for show, they're meticulously calculated for maximum grip and water displacement. Now fast forward to the present. We're living in the age of smart tires. These aren't your ordinary rings of rubber. They're embedded with sensors that monitor their own pressure and temperature, communicating real-time data to the driver. Underinflated? Overheating? Your tires will tell you before it becomes a problem. It's like having a personal tire assistant, ensuring your ride is always safe and efficient. And it's not just about safety and efficiency. These smart tires can also adapt to different driving conditions. Rain, snow, gravel, you name it, these tires can handle it. They can even adjust their tread patterns on the go, transforming to match the terrain under them. From bands of metal to intelligent rubber, the journey of tires through history is a testament to human ingenuity. As we look forward, what does the future hold for tires? The horizon teems with exciting possibilities. Imagine a world with airless tires, an innovation that could render punctures a thing of the past. These tires, robust and resilient, could redefine our driving experience, providing unprecedented reliability and peace of mind. Next, let's delve into the realm of self-healing tires. Yes, you heard it right. Tires that repair themselves, healing from minor damages and extending their lifespan. This technology, straight out of a science fiction novel, exhibits the potential to transform our perception of tire maintenance. Moreover, the future may see tires crafted from sustainable materials. As we strive for environmental sustainability, these eco-friendly tires could significantly reduce our carbon footprint, aligning our driving habits with our responsibility to Mother Earth. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible, who knows where the journey of tires will take us next? The future, indeed, appears to be rolling in promisingly.